Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to sum every second cells in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. For example, let's take this range of data. Our task is to count all the fruits sold by the first manager separately, as well as all the fruits sold by the second manager separately. I think it won't be difficult to count all the cells in a column, but counting every second or every third cell raises questions. If we do this manually, that is, select each cell and summarize, it will be long and difficult, especially if you have hundreds of cells. To solve this problem, it's better to use SUMIF function. We enter this function, and as you can see, the function has three arguments. The first argument is the range in which the function will search for argument number 2. The second argument is a criteria. In this case, it's a manager 1, which we write in quotation marks. And the third argument is the summation range. That is, these are the cells that will be summed if the first two conditions are met. We press enter and the function has calculated everything perfectly. And to count all the fruits sold by manager number 2, copy the formula and simply change the criteria. For this method, it's not necessary that the data be located in every second or third cell. It all depends on the search criteria. If it's located opposite the cell, then the data of this cell will participate in the summation. Great, but what if the D column just doesn't exist and we can't use such a convenient additional column? Then we will use a slightly different formula of this type. How does this formula work? Let's start with the row function. This function will return the numbers of the row of the entered range. That is 2, 3, 4, and so on. And mod function will return the remainder from dividing the first argument, this is our row function, by the second argument, this is the number 2, because we count every second cell. And if the result of the division is 0, then these cells are suitable for us and the formula sums them up. And to calculate the total for manager 2, we copy the formula and change one number in it, namely the result of dividing the row function by 2 should now be equal to 1, not 0. Since we are now interested in all the odd cells, these are 3, 5, 7, and so on. Dividing them by 2 gives the result 1. That's how we found the sum of every second cell. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.